Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 7th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have discussed conditional column, custom column, index column, invoke column and duplicate column. So now we will learn some more interesting feature about Power Query Editor for data extraction. We will discuss various ways for data extraction. So I have uploaded one Excel file here. So let's go to the Power Query Editor window. Firstly, I'll start this class by this feature, which is column from examples. So what I'll do, I just separate this product and price. You can see guys, here is a milk which is product and the price is 150. So I'll extract this data with the help of column from example. So what I'll do, I just simply select this column which I have already selected and go to the column from examples. Once you click it, it's asking for two questions. From all columns, from selection. So I have selected product and price column, so I'll go with from selection. So now you guys can see new blank column has added. So what I do, I just simply enter price here, which is 150. The second one is 500. So now you guys can see once I enter the 2-3 price, it automatically understands the sequence and you just simply click OK and our price gets separated in different column. In this way, you can extract the data with the help of column from example. And we have another example of data extraction with the help of column from example. So you simply need to follow same steps. First, you need to select this column, go to the column from example and go to from selection and simply put milk space 150. Next, fruit space 500. Now it automatically understands the sequence which you want to put here. So click OK. So now you can see guys, our column has added with space between product and price. So in this way, you can extract our data with the help of column from example. Now we will move to the another way for data extraction, which is split column. So firstly go to the home page and here is the option of split column. So you can also extract the data with the help of split column. You can follow both the approach to extract the data. Either you can use split column or you can use column from example. It's totally depend on your data set and the method which you want to follow. Now we will split this year and month. After selection this column, you need to go to transform tab and here is the option which is split column. Now you click split column and it provides you various options which is by delimiter, by number of character, by position. So if you want to split the column with the help of delimiter, then you can select the delimiter. So I'll show you the example with the help of by delimiter. So click by delimiter and here it's asking for the delimiters. Here are the delimiters guys, which is colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab. So in this column we have to separate with the help of space. So I'll select space here. Now it's asking from where you want to delimit this column, from the left corner or the right corner. So I'll select left from here. Now click OK. Once you click it, now you guys can see our year and month column got separated. So in this way, you can also extract the data with the help of split column. Now I'll show you the another example of split column with the help of character. So I'll just simply back to the step and go to split column. And this time I choose by number of characters. So what I do, I just simply count these numbers. 2000. In 2000 we have a 4 numbers which is 2 and 3 zeros. So I'll put here 4 and I want to split this column from left. So I'll select this one and click OK. So now you guys can see we get the same output. So in this way, you can split our column or extract the data with the help of split column or by column by example. Now we will study one more way to extracting the data. So in this practical, I will take this email ID here and you guys can see here is another option of extracting the data. So this time I will extract this email ID column with the help of this extract data. So what I'll do, I just simply select this column and go to extract data. Now I'll split this column after the @. So I'll select text after delimiter. If you want to split this column before the @, so you need to select text before delimiter. So in this case, I'll select text after delimiter. So in this case, our delimiter is @. So I'll simply put @ here and now click OK. Now you guys can see after the @ our column got separated. So we have done this extracting in transformation section. You guys can see here. If you want that this email ID column remains same and add one more column after @, so go to add column and select extraction from there. So in this way you can also extract the data and the column will remain same. So I'll show you how. Let's say go to the add column and extract this email ID. So after the delimiter, put it @ and OK. Now you guys can see this column is still here and one more column has added after @. So in this way you can extract the data. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you have learned various new things in Power Query Editor. So for more interesting feature, watch this series step by step and please subscribe this channel and share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And this time I have also shared link of this file in description box. So kindly download and make practice. Thank you so much guys and please spread this channel. Thank you so much.